Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel, A Fairy Tale Flavor. I'm Selena and today I'm showing y'all how to make homemade corn dogs. This recipe makes 8 corn dogs, so you will need 8 hot dogs of your choice. I'm using Angus beef hot dogs. And you want to pat them dry with a paper towel. That way the batter will stick better. Now you're going to carefully insert each hot dog with a stick, making sure to leave a little handle. Once you have all the hot dogs on a stick, place them aside. Now let's start on the batter. In a large mixing bowl, I'm going to add in 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of cornmeal, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and whisk these together. Now I'm going to add in 1 egg, 1 3/4 cups of buttermilk, and 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, and whisk these together until combined. Then I like to transfer this batter to a tall drinking glass. I find that it makes it much easier to dip the hot dogs. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please hit that red subscribe button. I post new recipes every week. Now, before dipping your hot dogs, you want to heat about 2 inches of vegetable oil in a large pot or Dutch oven to 350 degrees. Then dip your hot dog in the batter and slowly pull it out of the batter. Then place into the hot oil and fry for about 3 minutes or until golden brown. And you want to use some tongs to rotate it, that way it will get evenly browned. Once finished, carefully transfer it to a paper towel lined plate. Then continue this process with the remaining hot dogs in batches. You can fry up to 2 hot dogs at a time. And these corn dogs are ready. Enjoy with some ketchup or mustard. Well, I hope you all enjoyed this corn dog recipe. You guys can find the full recipe on my blog page at A Fairytale Flavor. I'll leave the link in the description below. And I'll see you all for my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye! Oh, you're gonna get ketchup? Okay, let mommy help you. There.
And dig it?
Okay. You just ate the ketchup. Take a bite. Good girl. Yummy, huh? Oh, more ketchup. Okay.
Lemon.
And mustard? Wow. Good girl. Okay, tell everyone bye. Bye. Say bye.
Lemon.